Welcome to the show, everyone. This is a great unboxing. I just bought this beautiful SainSmart power grinder. Hey guys, welcome to the show. We're gonna have a good one. You can get it on Amazon. Great grinder. Look at this. Can't wait to play. Now, I'm a locksmith, so I use these type of grinders. I change out the wheels and I put a key deburring wheel in these. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to transform this into a locksmith beautiful tool. It's going to deburr keys by removing this wheel and putting in a key deburring tool. Yeah. SainSmart. This is one beautiful tool. Look at that. I can't wait to unbox it. Great tool. SainSmart. Get it from Amazon. This would be a great time. Hit that like button. Let's get back to the show. Hey guys, welcome to the show. Go ahead and open this up. This is gonna be fun. Just got it in the mail from Amazon. Ooh. Oh, looky here. Delicious. Look at this. Mini bench grinder. User manual. This is a 110 model. All the parts and pieces are there. I can't wait to get into the show. Yeah. Let's look what's inside the box. Oh, I know what these are. These are safety devices. That's good. We like sealed. Great. These are going to go in front of the grinding wheel so we don't get nothing in our eye. Nicely packaged. Let's see here. What's in this? Got some bolts and goodies. Got it all out. Let's see what else is in here. Hey, that's very flexible. I'm liking this. I've had some that are so hard to bend. This is very nice. Nice chuck on there. Tightens up. So when it's inside the grinder, this will be a little stronger. You just tighten that up. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. This goes inside the side of the grinder, and then this holds it in place. Goodies here. Put this over here. So there is some assembly required. These are going to be for the front of the grinder where you'd rest maybe a tool on there and grind. Wrench and some more chucks. Maybe they're different size. No, I guess maybe if you wreck them, huh? Yeah, that goes in the end of this bad boy. Right inside there. Here we go, guys. You're gonna love this. I don't know what this is. Man, what is this? Oh, this is the bonus round. I did not expect this in this case. I thought you just got a grinder. What is this? This can't be true. This can't be true. Could it be true? It can be true. How do I get it open? Well, there's a clip and another clip. Look at this. It's going to freak you out. What a bargain. I can't hardly believe this. Look at that. You get every goodie on the planet. Who gives that stuff away? That's in the case. That's in the box. Oh, I got a little extra washer down there. Look at that. Oh, that's funny. Maybe I dropped it in there. I don't think so. Extra. This was totally unexpected. SainSmart gets a high five all the way. Yeah! So you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. This has a great smell to it. Wow. So that's polishing compound. I think this is a stone to dress the wheels. Who even does this? I mean, this is a beautiful package. You got to admit, don't you? Oh, and these cut-off wheels. Oh, look at, here's another chuck. I don't think I dropped that in there. It's another chuck in there. Yes, it is. How do you guys just keep giving? The price is so reasonable you won't believe it. These are cut-off wheels. And what do they go in? They go in. Yeah, that holds them. So this is an arbor. some more cutoff wheels. Try to buy these. They're very expensive. Carborundum cutoff wheels. Somebody twisted this. Hand twisted this. Isn't that cool? A little bit of copper there. Yeah, and these are buffers. So maybe like this. I don't know. Have to read the directions. Yeah, I think that's how it goes. Could be wrong. Maybe it goes. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's so cool. And you got this all in a nice carrying case. Isn't this great? Yeah. Here's what we've been waiting for. Something down inside of here. Oh, looky here. Oh, I like the blue. That is like cobalt blue. Oh man, this is cool, guys. Gotta make sure I don't get that in the studio. Look at this. Oh, this is great. I tested this out and it is as strong as can be. I can't hardly believe it. Let's get back to the show. Nicely boxed, really is. Giving this 100% thumbs up. Nothing got damaged. Beautiful. What a beautiful tool. Nice cord. I got that styrofoam off of it. Oh, looky here. On the bottom, has suction cups. That's good. Can you bolt it down? If I take them off, which I'm sure I can, let's see. I can screw it down in my truck. See, I have a key van and I want to, can I take those off? Oh, I see how they go. Oh, no. Well, I guess I got to unscrew it. Now, if I was to unscrew this, I probably would have not had that problem. We'll loosen it up so I can get it back together. I shouldn't have done that. Pulling on it like a maniac. Well, they had that so beautiful in there. What am I doing? Let's see. Can I push it back in? No, I gotta take it apart to fix it. Great. Door and lock tips. Ay, ay, ay. What have I done? Okay. It's good. Boy, that's nice. Look at that. They slide on there. Those are nice little rubber grommets. And the electrical's inside. Look at, let's get a sneak peek in here. Nice little wiring connections. We'll put this back together. And I'll turn it on here just how loud it is. Now we know we can mount it in the truck easily. I am really, what am I doing? Screw crooked. Hang in there, guys. Please hit that like button. Man. Trying to do a good thing here. I'm messing it all. Hey. Oh, man. Well, they're definitely not magnetic. Well, maybe they are. The screwdriver isn't. That's a fact. It's left over from a show I went to. Lock and Key show. They give these things away. This screw just don't want to help me. Well, now you know what not to do when you're trying to do an unboxing. Go back tight. Okay. There we go. We'll take this cord apart. Another nice little twisty idea. I think I'll keep this. I like these things. No grounding necessary. That's good. I have it plugged in. The moment of truth. This is a plastic housing. This is metal. There's where the end of this bolt hooks on. Sticks in there. Oh, I see. And this tightens on. Well, that screws on. And that's got a little flange here, so that holds it. I don't want to wreck anything just yet. I'll wait to wreck it later. I don't think this is wreckable, though. Knocking everything all over. All right, want to hear it? Are you ready? Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh. Nice and quiet. Can you hear that? Boy, is that concentric. That beautiful. Let's see how many amps it. Let's see, what is it? 110. I don't know how many amps it is. I have a special machine that tells that. 11,000 RPMs. Down to 0. I guess that's when it shut off. Is that nice? Is that cool or what? There you have it, guys. An unboxing of SainSmart's Power to the Makers 3-inch grinder. It's a bench grinder. Has a lot of appeal to me. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Please subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. And I'll show this tool being mounted in my truck. Oh, you know what that is? That's like a Scotch-Brite tool. Yeah, that's not hard. That's for buffing. And this is for grinding. Pink stone. That's kind of soft. You can get them in different grades. There you have it, guys. Please subscribe, tell your friends. I'll have more door and lock tips coming your way in the future. Thanks. An unboxing today. Yeah. So stay tuned. Hey guys, if you stay till the end, you get to see how I replaced the wheel on one side of this beautiful grinder so I could remove the burrs on keys. Yeah, let's get back to the show.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. Your superhero. Your superhero.